Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi A5 Coupe Sport. The car's got the Xenon headlights with the LED daytime running lights and also the front and rear parking sensors. Moving around to the side of the vehicle, we have the 17-inch twin-spoke design alloy wheels with the chrome surrounds on the exterior windows with the privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards, LED backlights with the twin polished chrome exhaust. This is an Audi user-approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car's got the pillarless doors with the electronic folding exterior mirrors with the heating function, full black Milano leather with a 4-way electronic lumbar support with the electronic slide and tilt, automatic headlights and wipers with a flat bottom multifunctional leather steering wheel with cruise control, S-tronic automatic gearbox with heated seats and 3-zone digital climate control, Audi's MMI display and the coloured display in the centre of the clocks. If you'd like any more information on this Audi A5 Coupe, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.